Welcome to Catrina's Cooking. Today, let's make delicious food. So today, we're going to make sweet and sour pork with pineapple. Sweet and sour pork is a crispy fried pork in sweet and sour sauce with pineapple. To make this recipe so delicious, here's what we need. 6 cloves of garlic, slice thinly the garlic, 1 onion, 1 red bell pepper and 1 green bell pepper, cut into half, 3 calamansis, 1 cup pineapple chunks, 1/2 cup of tomato sauce, 1/8 cup brown sugar, 1/8 cup vinegar, 1 cup flour, 1/4 cup cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. I have here 1/2 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 cup of water, 2 eggs. I have here 1/2 kilo of pork meat cut into bite size. First thing first, when cooking sweet and sour pork, we have to marinate first the meat. Let us season with calamansi. This calamansi is add flavoring of the meat. So, next is ground black pepper. And set aside. This time, we will making a batter. What is a batter? A batter is a flour mixture with liquid and other ingredients like sugar, salt, and leavening. It is most used as a coating for fried food. Put flour into a bowl. Next, cornstarch. Then, baking powder. Then 2 eggs. Then put a pinch of salt. Then pepper. Then mix. Then slowly add water. Mix thoroughly until it will smooth. This is now our batter. This time, I'm going to prepare a sweet and sour sauce. Add tomato sauce in a bowl. Next, vinegar, soy sauce, then brown sugar. Mix. This is now our delicious sweet and sour sauce. After making a smooth batter, what we have to do is we will get 1 by 1 of this marinated pork meat and then put into a batter. All we have to do is just put it here all. Mix thoroughly until the meat is well coated of the batter. Look at the texture, so smooth. In a pan, pour 2 cups of oil and then put 1 by 1. Cook the pork meat until golden brown. Our meat now is a golden brown, so it's time for us to transfer into thin bowl. And now, this is the time you are waiting for. I will be now cooking a sweet and sour pork. This is now my fried pork cut. This is now the sweet and sour sauce that we will use to cook. To make a sweet and sour pork, in a pan, pour 2 tablespoons of oil. Then, spread it. Once the oil is heat, add onions. Add garlic and stir. Add the bell pepper. Stir fry. We will now add our sweet and sour sauce. Then stir it. The smell is so good. We will just simmer the sauce. Make sure to mix it. Mix. Make sure that our sweet and sour sauce is well coated to the fried pork. Once our sweet and sour sauce is well blended to the fried pork, let's add pineapple. And now, I will try to taste my recipe. So delicious! I'm sure you love this recipe. If you're enjoying this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching. Have a great day!